I'm from Polytechnic Manipula.
MSU College Penang.
From MSU.
London University College of Communication.
From MSU College.
Polytechnic Manipula.
MSU College.
University Sains Islam Malaysia.
MSU.
Melaka International College of Science and Technology.
Hi everyone, I'm Vivek here from MSU College Penang. I'm currently studying for International Business Management. I find this internship through social media. While I'm in the COVID-19 pandemic, it was so difficult to find a job for internship as well. Every companies and every offices, they not allow hiring internship students because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So it's so lucky to get me in Jetso Marketing Penang. They hire me as an internship student over here. During my internship, I experienced a lot of things. So my director, Mr. An, guided me in a nice way to achieve a goal. While in handling on the file management task, I has been handling up to 100 to 400 or 1000 files per day, which means that it's a target have to be done in the duration given by. My senior officers giving me a hard disk that has been 1 terabyte of files inside the hard disk. I need to arrange the file accordingly in between time of 1 week duration, which means inside the file almost at up to 400 to 500,000 files. I need to do it up to 1 week durations. And it also just not moving to PC to PC. I have been moving to PC to hard disk and moving to PC to cloud, which means like example like OneDrive, which means is make me convenience and better and easy way to be done. Basically, the environment given here is really comfortable and better where we're working in a group and a teamwork together with our colleagues. And it's been freedom to ask any questions or to give any solutions or any ideas to our colleagues or even to our senior officers. I didn't get a chance from our senior officers. They give me a chance to interview the promoters who would like to come and work here. That have been a good experience for me and a good challenging. Where I faced through interview of people, I have been seeing different people with different characters and different perceptions. Just for interview, that I'm a small age and I will interview here even though I'm a student. That I've been facing more seniors than me, the age are more higher than me. But I feel for the first time, I feel like so scared that I cannot interview them. When I face them, then it get me a really challenging and good experience for me to interview them and get to know more information from them and to hire them in the right way. Okay guys, that's all from me. That if any juniors would like to looking for internship, okay, Jetso Marketing offering that they are hiring people for internship like for multimedia for videos, mass communication, web designing and blog posts, business marketing and business development and human resource management. Okay, most important, you have to know that you have to have your own self-management and your discipline, and you have to have your own time management, have to be punctual as usual. It's the main criteria you have to come here. If you're qualified, then all the best.